Welcome to the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Wednesday evening, September 3rd, 2025, and we have a lineup of finance headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So, grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Brera Holdings PLC, NASDAQ BREA, actively capitalizing on sports investing market growth. Brera Holdings PLC, traded on NASDAQ under the symbol BREA, is actively capitalizing on the growth in the sports investing market. The company's multi-club ownership strategy across Europe, Africa, and Asia includes the recent majority acquisition of SS Juve Stabia, now competing in Italy's Serie B. Juve Stabia's squad value increased by 245% to $32 million during the 2024-25 season. Brera is one of only two MCOs active in Italy's Serie B, alongside City Football Group. The firm's approach focuses on portfolio growth, bottom-up value creation, and fan-to-investor pathways. Public markets are increasingly embracing sports franchises and related companies, with sports-related stocks showing strong gains in recent years. Brera Holdings, an Ireland-based international holding company, offers investors a direct way to participate in the sports investing market.
Shaping Wealth adds to advisory board to accelerate the impact of human-first AI innovation. Shaping Wealth, a leading provider of behavioral science-based solutions for the wealth management industry, has expanded its advisory board with industry leaders Jason Pereira, MBA, CFA, CFP, and Samantha Russell, joining behavioral economist Dr. Hal Hirschfield. This move aims to guide the strategic evolution of Shaping Wealth as they advance their AI platform, Lydia, and deepen technology integrations. Founder Brian Portnoy emphasizes the importance of combining technology and humanity to better serve clients. The advisory board's expertise in technology adoption, marketing innovation, and behavioral science will be crucial as Shaping Wealth scales Lydia's impact worldwide. The company's focus on making technology more human aligns with the future of the industry, as they aim to help advisors connect more deeply with clients through empathetic, personalized guidance. Learn more about Shaping Wealth at shapingwealth.com.
Via launches initial public offering. Via Transportation Inc. has announced the launch of its roadshow for the initial public offering of 10,740,285 shares of its Class A common stock. Via is offering 7,142,857 shares, while selling stockholders are offering 3,571,428 shares. The underwriters may have an option to purchase up to an additional 1,067,142 shares. The initial public offering price is expected to be between $40 and $44 per share. Via has been approved to list its Class A common stock on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol VIA. Goldman Sachs & Co. LLC, Morgan Stanley, Allen & Company LLC, and Wells Fargo Securities are acting as lead book-running managers for the proposed offering.
Copper moves closer to $10,000 mark as it consolidates its gains. Copper has been making significant gains, nearing the $10,000 per ton mark due to a weak USD and strong demand. Tor Metals Inc., TSX.V, TMT, and other players in the copper ecosystem are closely monitoring commodities markets to gauge the metal's future trajectory. Investors can find updates on Tor Metals Inc. in the company's newsroom. Rocks and Stocks is a specialized platform offering insights into the mining industry, providing access to various wire solutions, syndication services, press release enhancements, social media distribution, and tailored corporate communications solutions. To stay informed, text ROCKS to 888-902-4192 for SMS alerts, or visit the Rocks and Stocks website for more information. MoneyShow experts to gather online soon for the Oil, Gas, and Renewables Bootcamp. Global demand for energy is on the rise, driven by new technologies like AI and EVs. Investors can gain valuable insights at the MoneyShow Virtual Expo on September 9th to 10th, 2025. Experts will provide tips across natural gas, crude oil, and alternative energy sectors. Participants can learn from industry veterans to protect and grow their wealth. MoneyShow Virtual Expos offer powerful market opportunities for investors and traders. Registrations are now open for this online event. To learn more, visit the website. InvestorWire is a specialized communications platform focused on press release syndication for private and public companies and the investment community. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.